Oh, help me! Damn it! Oh! Oh! So, as for your son, he is a troubled boy. Oh shit, there he is. Stay in the car. Holy fucking shit! That was the only sheriff in the sheriff's department! Holy Jesus. What is it? Our car is out of gas. No shit. We'll be back. Don't keep me waiting, and my big brother is a handful. Hey! I'm scared, and it's dark. No worries. They'll come back, but it's dark. Hey, how you doing, sweetheart? Welcome to the family. Who are you people? Hey, Grandpa. Here. Hit her. Hit her. Stop! Oh, you bitch! Get her, Bobby!